Hey guys, it's Amber, and I'm getting ready to work on just a really quick and simple project featuring a photo of my cat. That's one of my favorites, which you'll see in a little bit. Right now I'm playing with the brand new stamps from the Laura Wonsik and Ali Edwards release with the little cursive stamps. I'm spelling out my cat's name. You can see above my Tim Holtz stamper there that I did a practice run. I tried doing it with the craftings, but these were too small. It was just getting too much ink on there. So then I tried it with my go-to VersaFine ink, and even those smeared a little bit. So I was hoping that maybe that was just the beginning of using them. So I tried to press the ink down very, very gently, and then I tried to press the stamper down extremely gently so that they didn't get pushed down too much or smeared too much, and they look okay. They did not come out perfect by any means. And then I also was trying to connect them as well as I did in my example up top there, but I had to end up using a slick writer pen to kind of connect them a little bit. There you can see like the Y and the P aren't quite close enough. And I was trying to be really careful because it's the only copy of this pattern paper that I have. This is from the Hearts story, or not story kit, but a scrapbook kit that had come out in 2021. And I really like it, so I was just trying to, take my time. So it's not perfect stamping, and I ended up starting a little bit further over to the left than I thought, but is what it is. So, but I, really wanted to try out those stamps and thought that came out really cute. So like I said, just filled in a few little spots there, and I apologize. I'm not sure why the lighting on this is flickering back and forth so much, so I'm really sorry about that. But next we're going to jump into working on the embellishments. So here I'm taking some hearts that are from that same story kit, and I'm kind of playing with embellishments here. And so what I'm doing is I'm tracing the outside of this one chipboard heart onto vellum, and then I'm writing with a slick writer pen the simplest journaling in the world, which is just hanging in his favorite spot, because the kitty is going to be in the picture here in a minute, and as a picture I took of him the other day, he just looks really sweet, and he's always laying on one of the girls' beds. So it's kind of a fun, bright photo with lots of bright, fun colors, and he's looking really sweet. So here I'm just trying to play with some stash busting. So had gone through my stash, looked for some die cuts. So some of these are paper, some are chipboard, and some are wood. So I've jumped really far ahead with all my decision making. And the purple die cuts and the wooden hearts are all from Elle's studio. That is the outline hearts. The top yellow heart is, and everything else are all from Ali Edwards. They're all from Ali Edwards. So just using a variety of different adhesives here to attach everything. Some of the chipboard has backing, some doesn't. So generally I'll use, since outside of a page protector, red line tape for everything that is like wooden, just to make it as secure as possible. I don't trust rolling adhesive, and I do really like using score tape, but sometimes I feel like it doesn't stick as well to wood pieces, so I just generally tend to use a lot of adhesive. So one thing I did know is that I was going to have to punch holes in the right side of this paper, so I picked two embellishments that were a little thinner, like that wood piece I knew I'd be able to punch through, and then that transparent heart piece, of course. And I was also trying to look for balance. So you'll see I have the blue kind of at different angles to try to create a trilogy, to draw your eye around the page. Same with the yellow and the purple as well. So I'm trying to just create a few different visual triangles here. So there's the picture of my sweet Safer. Like I said, she's laying on the bed looking really cute, and it was just bright, fun colors. And I will probably print this photo as it was originally taken as a horizontal 4x6 for my project life, but I just really wanted to play with some embellishments and do a little bit of stash busting. I've been trying to get out of my funky group, my funk where I haven't had any mojo lately. So I just thought this would be a nice fun one. There you can see I'm using my power punch. I have that linked in my Amazon tools if you're interested. That will punch through just about any material, which is pretty awesome, and makes it a lot easier to go through things. So there I'm removing the adhesive from the outside of that chipboard, attaching the vellum that I had trimmed a little bit smaller, and then just reinforcing a little bit more adhesive behind the lines there with some 1/8 score tape that I'm cutting down even skinnier, just to, because there's some adhesive around the outside. I just wanted to make sure it was not going to pop off. So love this one. Came out really simple, didn't really need any special drilling, and thanks for watching.